Magandang buhay and welcome back to another video. Ngayong araw, nandito tayo sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija na may kapanapanabik na pagkakakilanlan.
Hindi ito kilala dahil sa matataas na gusali, hindi rin sa mga beaches or tourist spots.
Kilala ito dahil sa isang sasakyan na ginagamit natin halos araw-araw, ang tricycle. Ngunit paano nga ba nakuha ng Cabanatuan ang title na Tricycle Capital of the Philippines? Halina at alamin natin ang istorya sa likod ng tatlong gulong.
Noong nagsimulang lumawak ang lungsod, dumami rin ang mga schools, hospitals, pamilihan, businesses at mga bagong subdivision. Habang dumarami ang tao, mas lumaki rin ang pangangailangan sa transportation. At dahil sa patuloy na paglago ng lungsod, marami sa mga barangay at residential areas ay may makikitid na kalsada na hindi kayang pasukin ng bus at jeepney.
Kaya naging pinakamabisang solusyon ng tricycle. Maliit, mabilis at kayang iatid ng pasahero sa harap ng kanilang bahay.
Dahil dito, mas pinili ito ng maraming residente kaysa sa ibang pampublikong sasakyan.
Sa paglipas ng panahon, patuloy na dumami ang bilang ng mga tricycle sa Cabanatuan. Hanggang sa umabot ito ng mahigit kumulang 30,000 registered units noong 2009. Bukod pa ang mga private sector at mga units ay hindi nagpa-register.
Ito ang naging dahilan kung bakit natawag na Tricycle Capital of the Philippines ang Cabanatuan. Ngayong alam na natin ang kasaysayan ng tricycle, silipin naman natin kung paano siya ginagawa. Maraming tao ay nag-aakalang binibili na ito ng buo, pero hindi pala. Nagsisimula ito sa isang motorsiklo. Pagkatapos, gumagawa ang mga local welders at fabricators ng sidecar gamit ang mga bakal. Sinusukat at hinihinang ang frame, saka nilalagyan ng bubong, upuan, handrails, ilaw, signal lights, salamin at iba pang bahagi upang maging safe and comfortable para sa mga pasahero. Matapos mabuo, kailangan pa itong mairehistro sa Land Transportation Office or ang LTO at magkaroon ng prangkisa mula sa lokal na pamahalaan bago legal na makabiyahe. Marami ring operator ang kabilang sa Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association na mas kilala bilang TODA upang maayos ang operasyon ng mga terminal at ruta. Kaya pala, ang tricycle ay hindi lang basta sasakyan. Ito ay ang resulta ng sipag at tiyaga ng bawat Pilipino.
The Cabanatuan tricycle can also be connected to the creative services domain because many creative professionals contribute to making each tricycle functional and unique. Before a tricycle can operate, designers and fabricators plan and build the sidecar, while sign painters and graphic artists create custom color schemes, decals, route numbers, and business names that gives each unit its own identity. These creative services combine design, craftsmanship, and practical function to produce a tricycle that is safe, recognizable, and appealing. Through these services, the tricycle becomes more than just transportation. It showcases Filipino creativity and supports local businesses and skilled workers. Every day, tricycles transfer students, employees, patients, and shoppers in Cabanatuan. This popular mode of transportation is attributed to its ability to navigate narrow streets and reach difficult-to-reach areas. As a result, over half of commuters rely on tricycles, making Cabanatuan's Tricycle Capital title notable. In addition to transportation, tricycles also generate numerous job opportunities with drivers, welders, mechanics, and more contributing to the city's economy. Furthermore, tricycles play a crucial role in providing a stable income for many residents, especially when alternative employment opportunities are scarce. As you can see, a tricycle considers is more than just a ride. It's an essential link to communities, local businesses, and the economy of Cabanatuan. Before making this video, I simply thought a tricycle was simply a vehicle that takes people from one place to another. But after learning about its history, I realized that it is much more than that. The tricycle became an important part of Cabanatuan because it answered the city's growing need for accessible transportation, especially in areas where larger vehicles could not easily pass. The title Tricycle Capital of the Philippines is not just about having thousands of tricycles on the road. It reflects how these three-wheeled vehicles helped shape the city's daily life, connected communities, and provided livelihoods for countless families. Every tricycle represents the hard work of drivers, welders, mechanics, and fabricators who keep this industry alive. This video reminded me that even the simplest things can have great impact on society. The tricycle is more than a means of transportation. It is a symbol of resilience, service, and the identity of Cabanatuan. As we move toward modernization, I hope we continue to value the history and contribution of the tricycle while finding ways to make it safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for future generations.